we thank the Lord for yet another opportunity to be in the comfort of our home, right in our kitchen. To God be all the glory. Today, I'm going to be doing a banana bread. I have in here my ripe bananas, 3 bananas, and I don't know what to do with it. So I said, I'm not going to eat it. We're going to do a banana bread. So come with me. Let's see how I do my banana bread. God bless you. So for our banana bread, we need banana, 3 medium large banana, very ripe, all-purpose flour, 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 eggs, a pinch of salt, soda, 1 teaspoon of soda, 2 2 tablespoons of your milk, or you use your liquid milk. And if you're using your liquid milk, you'll be using a quarter cup of your liquid milk. So here I'm not using the liquid milk, I'm using the dry milk, so I'm having a quarter of my water. Then you have half of oil, any type of oil you prefer. So I'm using the sunflower oil today, and I have half of my sugar. So that is all we need for our banana bread. So let's get into it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm setting everything aside. So I'm getting my bowl in. I'm going to peel my banana into my bowl. Make sure your hands are washed. I'm removing all this the way you like to eat your banana. So I'm going to be matching my banana with my fork. So you can use whatever that you can use to match your banana. So this is what you can easily get in the comfort of your home. So you remember that the banana is so sweet, so you can do the sugar that please you. But for what is good for this recipe, I'm using so you match it, make sure it's smooth. You can put it in your blender if you want to, but it doesn't really matter. So now I'm going to be adding my oil. And I'm going to continue with my matching. I'm adding my sugar. And I'm going to use my mixer now. So I'm going to use my mixer to mix it up. So I'm going in with my egg. As a small size egg. If you're using a very large egg, you can just use one. So now I'm going to pour my dry ingredients together. My milk go in. My soda goes in. So my pinch of salt goes in. So I'm going to whisk everything together and I will pour in gradually. So I'm going to put in my water. Now I'm going to put in my vanilla. That's why it's wait till the end. So 1 teaspoon of vanilla goes in. That's vanilla extract. It's not good to over whisk it. So I'm going to remove this, set it aside. So I'll scrape the edges and make sure my bowl, I'm going to spray it so that it can easily detach when done baking. So I'm pouring in. So I'm going to be baking for 180 degree for 45 minutes. So